opposition leader, Mr. R. Ashok, has raised several questions that the Honorable Chief Minister's wife has returned those 14 sites which were in question. And he has raised so many questions regarding that, and he said that it is also like as if you have accepted your mistake, you accepted the scam which is called as scam. And these were the questions raised by the Honorable Opposition Leader. But we have come before you to say there is a case where R. Ashok, who is the opposition leader, involved in a similar case. There is a place called Otte Gollahalli in Bangalore city, which is a prime locality, meaning the land, in those areas are very expensive because of commercial value and so on. And this place, there is a land in question which is 32 guntas. 32 guntas, almost nearing an acre. That land was notified by the BDA to acquire on 24/2/77. The first notification comes out in February 77, and the final notification happens 31 August 78, after an year, which was mandatory, I suppose. So they have finally acquired that 32 guntas land. Who? BDA.
So what is the price of that, sir? It is no?
No, I don't have those details at the moment. This particular land was supposed to have been owned by no, the original owner is Gullamma. Then subsequently that land was acquired from Gullamma. The original owner is Gullamma. Okay. Now this land was purchased by R. Ashok, who is our opposition leader, in 2007, after a gap of 26 years. He purchases those survey numbers, 32 guntas, and until 2009, from 2007 to 2009, he doesn't do anything. All of a sudden, in 2009, out of the blue, here comes a person called Ramaswamy, who is nobody. The original owner is Gullamma. But the Ramaswamy, out of the blue, he applies for a denotification to Chief Minister, Honorable Chief Minister, the then Honorable Chief Minister, Shri Yediyurappa. Now, the Honorable Chief Minister calls for the file. He writes on the files, that you send it through the file or something like that. So after that, within the matter of 2 months, that is on 31/8/2009, this was denotified. Okay? Ramaswamy is nobody. Original owner is Gullamma, which has already been acquired by the BDA. Okay? The ownership should have been with BDA. How can you purchase from somebody who is supposed to be already given up that land at a cost, and they would have taken the money also. So now the question is how this land, again, R. Ashok gifts back this land to BDA. BDA is the owner, and you are gifting it. So our question is, how can this happen? Okay. Now you are questioning the validity of Honorable Chief Minister Siddaramaia's wife, and this one is a similar one. How can you have the right to question?
Sir,
you don't have a right to question.
Sir, is there
Frequently, it didn't end there. One Mr. Atri, who is a retired wing commander, he goes to the Lokayukta, then subsequently he goes to court. And High Court passes a judgment, right, saying that, you have returned the land, that means the case is over. So you need not go in for a criminal investigation, right? So that is why we are asking, when the court has already passed a judgment saying that you need not go for a criminal investigation, right? How are you now asking for further investigation in the case of Srimati Siddaramaiah? So that is why when you yourself are involved in a big scam like that, right, you have no right to question. That is one. Two, since you have done somebody's land, PDA land, you have gifted. Yes. Here you have purchased a BDA land which was already acquired from somebody we don't know.
You are also saying
Ramaswamy, who is nobody, he submits a requisition to the Honorable Chief Minister, then Honorable Chief Minister Yediyurappa, for denotification. How can it happen? Tell me.
now you are also saying
Yes, that is not final. We may go for a divisional bench. We may go for a review
so he will remain in the
till we
seat.
get